Hey guys, it's Leah here again. I know it's been a while, but today I'm making a survival video. Well, not really a survival video, but it's how to set up a tent. So the first step is to find a flat surface on wherever you're trying to set up your camp. And if it's not flat, then you can use a rake as well to flat out stuff. So yeah, we already chose this flat surface right here, so that's where we're gonna build a tent. So we're going to be setting up a 2-person tent. That's good enough for 4 seasons, and it's only for 2 people, but it's a good tent anyways if you're only camping by yourself or have a friend. So I'm going to set up this tent now, and I'm going to get a little assistance from my dad, because it's better to have 2 people do it instead of 1 person, just to help you set up the poles that it comes with. So we completed the tent, and there's a lot of staking and putting it together, and the dogs were helping. There's one underneath the tent. And then, so this is the final product. Now you gotta put all your stuff back in the bag so you don't lose it for next time, or when you put it away. That way you don't lose your stuff. Zip it up, and then keep it in the tent in a place that's not bothering you. Now we're gonna put a sleeping bag in there so it'll be comfy. You can sleep. And then put some chairs out. Get ready to go camping in the tent.
Gotta go to
So now we're gonna put this sleeping bag. This used to be my sister's, because I don't usually use pink at all. So, okay, now we're gonna put this inside of the tent. Have to undo this little buckles, and then put up the tent. And the dogs like to be in here, helping us out. Watch out, buddy. And there you go. We set up the tent, got the sleeping bag all set up. So we set up the tent, set up the chairs, put a sleeping bag in, and so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment down below some nice comments, please. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so see you guys later.